Yo, coming to you real short, sweet, go from there. I'm just letting you know a little bit about nursing and why you shouldn't give up, because there's a lot of people out here giving up on nursing, especially the new students. Don't give up. Somebody has to do the grunt work. It's a lot of bad, but it's also a lot of good. It's very rewarding at the end. It's going to be people that you don't like, going to be people that you do like. The first year will be your hardest year. Definitely will be your hardest year. But you can't let the bad overtake the shine that you have. So keep doing the good work of what you're doing. Keep going at it hard as you can. The students, I'm letting you know, do not give up. School is very frustrating, very hard. You're probably going to have to think more than one time that, is this something I really want to do? Is this something for me? I'm just going to tell you the truth. It is for you. But you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in you. And then others will believe in you after that. So I'm just letting you know, don't give up. Do not give up on your dreams, because hard work pays off. You got to have the hard work now to pay off at the end. Because if it's easy now, when you get in the nursing, it's hard. Very hard. So let the hard work be in the beginning and not at the end. Don't let nobody tell you what you can and can't do. That's determined between you and God. And personally, for me, I don't believe in what I can't do. I just believe in what I'm not doing right now because of circumstances. But can't is not in my vocabulary. I would tell you to take the can't out. Believe in yourself. Others will believe in you. You're a leader. Keep it moving. God bless.